Morton Salt Morton Clean and Protect Rust Defense Water Softener Pellets. Clean and Protect Rust Defense steps up the game with a 5-in-1 system. It has the same quality and features of Morton Salt and Natural product with added built-in rust defense. What separates this water softener is its pellet formation. Larger salt crystals are formed in the process of making Clean and Protect Rust Defense. This product not only creates significantly less buildup, it also leaves skin and hair feeling even smoother and softer. It improves cleaning tasks without streaking or spotting, guarantees fresher, clean-tasting water, and improves the life of water-assisted appliances. It's perfect for water-dispensing refrigerators as the salt works much like an in-sink water filtration system. The rust defense properties are superior for the home's water heater and pipes, especially in older, historical homes where iron is the main metal. The rust and corrosion buildup and increased iron deposits in drinking water increases exponentially. Clean and Protect works 15 times more than plain salt to remove scaling water heaters and keeps rust from accumulating in water pipes. Too much buildup can corrode parts and cause the heater to run less efficiently. These salt pellets help avoid maintenance and repair costs and assists in less soap usage to clean larger loads of laundry. Pellets are larger and also keep the salt from bridging, undissolved salt, which ends up clogging pipes. And here are some pros. Works intuitively with all water softening systems. Pellet formula, saves having to hire a technician, recommended for older homes with iron pipes. And here are some cons. Not readily available at big box stores. Higher online pricing, longer online shipping times.